welcome to a crochet with me video. Today I'm gonna be making the strawberry sweater vest by Hey Crochet because it's so cute, and I'll put her YouTube in the description below. I am using the cozy wool yarn in red, green, and white, which I just got from my local craft store. And I'm using a 5mm crochet hook because I don't have 4.5. Here's a fun little time lapse for you guys. So a bit about me, I'm a beginner crocheter and I've been crocheting for roughly like a year or two, but before I did crochet I actually did knitting, and knitting was quite fun, and at first I found it a lot easier than crochet because you could just easily see the stitches on the needle, which is actually like pretty cool, but I mean I got used to it. And this is my first sweater vest, which I got from Hey Crochet, which you know from the intro. And guys, check out her tutorial. It's so easy to follow, like it's so freaking good. And yeah, I love it. Like when I first saw it, I'm like, oh my god, I need to make it. And also my hand looks so funny here. But it was such a long clip. I needed to condense it. But what do you watch when you do crochet or knitting or art? Because I love watching YouTube videos, and here I am watching Furry Little Peach. She's an Australian illustrator. Check out her channel because they're so aesthetically pleasing. I also just like to watch like show reaction videos like from your internet mom Ash. She's really funny. You'll actually see me watch her later in this video. But also, I love to listen to music, and I like listening to lo-fi beats, Studio Ghibli music, and Taylor Swift. I love Taylor Swift. Oh, and a new artist I've been like listening to, actually for a little while, but like I'd say new because I'm listening to more of her stuff, is Lofi? I think that's how you say her name? I don't know. But I love her music. Check her out. This is the finished ribbing. I forgot how many rows I did, but this yarn is so beautiful. I love this color green, and yeah, that would be it for day one. Good morning. This is my desk right after last night. It's a huge mess, but I got a lot of work done. Also, Charlie's on the floor. But let me show you what I got done. So I got done with the strawberries, and I didn't film this because I was tired. Also, it's a bit uneven. You really can't tell, which is good. Which is why I'm not gonna do anything about it. So this is my progress. It looks pretty good so far, and I hope it turns out well. This is also just like an old, not really old actually, this was like last week's project that I did. It's this red heart bag, which I love so much. It is so cute, and I'm gonna be using it. I'm just staring at my crochet projects. I need to do the bag, but I can't be bothered. Whoa, fun little time lapse again. Do you guys want to see how fast I crochet? Because it's not that fast, but I mean it does the job. See? Yeah, it's alright. I think that's like average. Today I actually finished the front, which is very exciting, and this is me fastening it off. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much. So right here I actually finished the front piece, and I also did the back piece kind of while I was working on it, so yeah. Welcome to day 6, guys. I've made it. I think this is my last crocheting day. I'm not so sure actually. But here, as you can see, I am watching your internet mom, Ash. I love her videos. She's so funny. Please check her out. But also the reason why I couldn't film for day 5 is because I actually was so tired. I fell asleep while crocheting. And then I had a dream I was crocheting. And then I woke up and then I realized that what I thought I crocheted in my dream, I actually did not crochet in real life. So that was a little disappointing, but it's okay. Day 6 is relaxed. We have the incense burning. We have water. And this is what I was working on. I was just getting done with the sleeves. I also tried standing up while crocheting so I didn't have to fall asleep, but that didn't work because it was too heavy. And here it is. Oh my god. This is the final reveal. She is so beautiful. I'm so proud. And it took me like less than a week to finish it, which I'm so proud of. And you guys should definitely make something as well. Also, please, if you're making clothing, use a soft yarn because the yarn here is a little bit itchy. And I wish I could change that, but it's okay. I still love it. I'm just gonna wear something underneath. And here's a bralette that I'm making. I didn't take any videos, so check out my Instagram to see the end result. Yeah. I actually have the sweater vest next to me while I edit. Because earlier I had to like admire it because I was so proud. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I had a fun time making it. This will be the end. But I will see you guys again.